Okay, this is a review of the Hilton in Warsaw. It's in the town centre. This is on the 13th floor and it's room 1314. So I've got a nice corner view, dual aspect windows. So bathroom, shower, toilet and bath. Got some the usual toiletries. There's not very much liquid in these if you used them before. Right. Okay, this is the room itself. It's quite big. Got some tea, coffee facilities. Mini bar. What does this say? Okay. So if you want to use it, the fridge is there. I'm guessing this is storage. Yep. So got a hairdryer. Good amount of storage. Ironing board. In-room safe here. And then there's a dressing gown and some slippers. Okay. Large flat screen television. More storage. Food menu. Desk. Yeah. That's good. Good to know. Seating in the bed. The views, it's dark at the moment. Not sure what you can see, though that's that new tower. It's very tall. Yeah, that's it.